All right, doing our repairability test for Miss Rodgers. It is 8:14, 96 degrees outside. We're placing this broken tab right here. As you see, it's completely split. Want to hand the camera. I'll show them the shingles above it. So this is the shingle right here that I'm replacing. Obviously, it's wind damaged. There's one crease above it already. I am documenting that as already a pre-damaged shingle, so I'm not counting that one. But as you see, all these other shingles right above where the repair is going to take place are not creased. I am using the roof snake tool. So I'm not going to lift these shingles above 45-degree angle while I'm doing this repair. I'm going to be as careful as possible. So, being that it is 96 degrees outside, shingles are sealed down pretty good. But if you see where I'm unsealing them, I already got some mat transfer going on where the matting is coming all the way off. So these shingles are already never going to seal down properly, the ones when I replace them. But I'm going to continue this repair. Getting nail pulled through, so let's make this repair a little harder. Alright, this shingle is out. I'm just going to put it right here. Just set that over there so it doesn't fall. New shingle is in. I have not lifted a single one of these shingles above 45 degrees. And I'm going to show you guys. I haven't lifted a single one above 90 or 45 degrees. As you see, when I wipe the tops of these shingles, there's a crease all the way at the top. See right there, I'm going to take close-up photos. But it's creased all the way along the top, already broken. I haven't even started nailing yet. So, I mean, when you take into account, we got 1, 2, 3, I mean, we got over 20 wind damage shingles on this thing. So when we go to replace 20 more shingles like that, and the ones above it get damaged, that roof's almost totaled at that point. I'm gonna finish nailing these shingles in. As you see, they're very creased along top. take photos and I'm gonna send everything in to you guys. I mean, this is not back to pre-loss condition. Obviously this one was already creased, so I'm not counting that one. But it's these right here. 1, 2, 3.